So, I have a little review. I did a review on a little toy gun a couple months ago, and we have a better one. It is a clear, spring-powered Airsoft Smith & Wesson 9C with a magazine. The features of the safety is actually the slide release, which is up is for fire, down is for safe, and then you have the trigger, magazine release, slide, and whenever it's on safe, you can still pull the trigger. It just won't make the sound. So it has an orange tip. So like if you're outside playing in the front yard or like you're playing with friends, people won't think it's a real gun. You have a non-working slide release. You have the logo or the markings. You have a bottom part for an attachment. You cannot see into the or the thing that pops the bullet out. The magazine has a slanted part at the bottom, so it's easier to like grab and pull out. You have the spring. You have a 75 round receiver. Wait, no. Well, it has I think it has a 70. How many bullets did it come with?
Came with 70, but I think it holds about 100.
It has a 100 round receiver. And you have a 15 shot magazine.
Probably.
And so the 100 round receiver doesn't mean you can't shoot 100 times. You actually pull this down, and if you look into there's actually a little hole, and so basically if you had BBs in there, and if you ran out, you would just pull the slide, or you would just pull the spring down, and then you would shake it, which I'll demonstrate that whenever I'm ready to shoot it. And over in the corner over there, we have we got that today along with some more BBs. We have a little, Dad, you can see it if you want. We have a little auto reset target. I'll be shooting from maybe 10 to 20 feet away. We also got a pack of 15,000 BBs for $15. So I'll show you what the 85 round receiver means. Wait, so what does that mean? Like just one of these full? And so what you do for the receiver is So I'll put 15 in. You take the BBs, you just slide them in the back one. Wait. There. And then you just close the door. And then what you do is you take this down and see there's nothing in it. And then you take it, I would hold it down, and you just dump BBs in, and then you can see they're starting to fill up in there. Okay, it only holds, oh, it double stacks them, it only holds 2, 4, 6, 8. It only holds 12. Alright, and then you just put the magazine into the gun. Put that back on. Alright, make sure the safety's on. Actually, I'll just take it out for now. And then, so I'll go over to the target and count about 10 feet into 15. So I'm about 15 feet away, and all I'll do is take the safety off. Sonny, come. And then I think, but not here. I'll go up a couple feet. Go on, hit it. Hit it, Sunny. I have 3 more. And then, Dad, can I just use this better than the receiver? Alright, 1 more left in the chamber. Look out, see? So I'll show you what it means. So look, Butch, the auto reset means to... Oh shoot, I just dropped it. There. So what the auto reset means is every time you hit one, it'll stay down. There, it'll stay down, and then right. I'm gonna put 1 more in and see if I can get it. I'll put just put 2. So what it means by the auto reset is every time you hit it, after you hit the last one, they'll all come back up. So that's the review of the Airsoft Smith & Wesson 9C. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.